Welcome to our Halloween party prep video, where we're going to transform your home into the perfect spooky but chic setting. Whether you're hosting friends, family, or a more adult-friendly gathering, we're here to give you some amazing ideas that balance the eerie Halloween atmosphere with elegant and stylish touches. Setting the mood with lighting. Let's start with lighting, one of the most important elements when setting up the mood for your Halloween party. You want your space to feel mysterious and a little spooky, but also welcoming. Think of using a mix of dim lighting, string lights, and candles to create a warm yet eerie ambience. Instead of going for the overly bright and bold lighting, try to aim for subtle shadows and soft glows. For example, you can hang some warm, orange string lights around the room or drape them across your mantle. For a more spooky effect, place candles in vintage-looking candle holders or use lanterns with flickering LED lights. Just be careful with real candles if you're hosting kids or pets. Try using string lights that resemble spider webs or ones with tiny pumpkins for a spooky yet classy touch. Dimming your regular room lights while relying on the candle and string light glow will create an intimate and cozy vibe that draws your guests in. And if you're feeling extra creative, try adding a fog machine near the entrance or use colored light bulbs to create an otherworldly glow. Blue, green, or purple are great colors to make your space feel eerie yet sophisticated. Spooky, yet elegant decor. Next up, let's talk about decor. We want to keep things spooky, but in a way that also feels elegant and refined. You don't have to go all out with jump scares or horror decorations, sometimes less is more. For example, black lace table runners or sheer white curtains can add a touch of mystery without being over the top. Combine them with metallic accents, think gold candelabras or silver skulls for a glam spooky look. It's all about mixing textures and colors in a way that feels intentional. Here's an idea: take a classic white tablecloth, add a black lace runner on top, and scatter a few small skulls or faux spiders to keep it spooky. To keep the balance, place vintage-inspired brass candlesticks in the center of the table. This look gives you that haunted yet chic vibe. Use items like velvet pumpkins, antique-style photo frames, and dark floral arrangements to keep things elegant but slightly eerie. The key is finding a balance between sophistication and spooky elements. Balancing spooky and chic colors. Color schemes are crucial when creating the spooky chic vibe. You'll want to move away from the traditional bright orange and harsh black combinations and lean more toward muted tones. Whites, blacks, deep purples, and dark greens are great choices for a more refined look. Consider using subtle pops of metallics like gold or silver to elevate the look. Instead of the standard Halloween colors, you can use a palette that feels more mature yet still festive. For example, pair matte black with metallic accents like bronze or rose gold for a luxe touch. One simple yet chic color scheme idea: opt for matte black tableware with gold cutlery, deep purple napkins, and silver skull decorations. It's moody yet sophisticated and still has that Halloween edge without being too in your face. Unique spooky accessories. Accessories are where you can let your spooky creativity shine, but remember, keep it classy. Incorporating a few unique spooky items can bring the Halloween spirit without overwhelming the space. Instead of filling your home with overly frightening decorations, choose pieces that are subtly eerie but still stylish. Crystal balls, vintage skulls, or haunted portraits in elegant frames can add a mysterious charm. A large skeleton placed in a sitting position in the corner of the room can also create a fun but not overly scary centerpiece. Imagine a spooky chic side table, place a small crystal ball, a pair of white skulls, and some dried flowers in a vintage vase. The vibe feels eerie but also sophisticated. Ghost figurines or small, chic haunted houses placed on bookshelves or mantels can add a touch of the supernatural, but in a way that still feels inviting. It's all about creating a balance that's fun for adults but also suitable for families. Creating the perfect Halloween atmosphere. Now that the lighting and decor are set, let's talk about the atmosphere. Music and sound effects can play a huge role in creating that spooky, yet not too scary, vibe. Try playing soft, eerie background music like old classical piano with a spooky twist. It'll set the tone for your party without being too frightening. You could even add subtle sound effects like the occasional creaky door, soft whispers, or a faint, spooky laugh. For instance, use small speakers hidden throughout the room to play the sound of soft winds, leaves rustling, or faint footsteps. Add some soft, ghostly music to create a chill yet elegant Halloween vibe. Don't forget about scent. Use candles with warm autumn scents like cinnamon, cedarwood, or rosemary. Diffusers with light essential oils can also add a touch of luxury to the spooky atmosphere. Food and drinks. More than just eye-catching. Finally, no party is complete without food and drinks. For a spooky chic Halloween, the goal is to serve treats that are both delicious and beautifully presented. Think of cupcakes with black frosting and small candy skulls, or cookies shaped like bats. For a more refined look, opt for simple yet artistic decorations, using dark chocolate or white frosting to create spider web designs. You could also serve panna cotta in glass cups, topped with berries that resemble drops of blood. Try serving dark chocolate mousse with a shiny glaze, topped with fresh blueberries for that spooky yet sophisticated look. For drinks, opt for vibrant red or purple cocktails with eerie garnish like a slice of dry ice or eyeball-shaped candy. When it comes to cocktails, choose simple recipes but dress them up with Halloween flair. Add a few drops of food coloring to create a blood red or deep purple drink, and don't forget to use spooky straws or cups with Halloween designs to tie everything together. And there you have it, the perfect Halloween party setup that's spooky but chic. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create a space that's both fun and elegant for all your guests. Remember, it's all about getting creative and enjoying the process. Wishing you all a fun and spooky Halloween. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more decorating tips and party ideas. See you in the next video. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. We hope you have a wonderfully spooky and stylish Halloween this year. Feel free to share your experiences in the comments below, and don't hesitate to show off your own fabulous decor ideas. See you soon!